Do you want to show your Facebook content directly on your WordPress website without touching a single line of code? In this video, I'm going to show you how to display a Facebook feed on your WordPress website using the Smashballoon Facebook Feed Pro plugin. It's the easiest way to boost engagement, keep your site fresh, and connect visitors to your Facebook community all automatically. Let's get started. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase Facebook Feed Pro. After that, you can download it and install it on your WordPress site. I've already got it installed and set up on my site, and you can see it over here. Let's go ahead and get started, so we can go click on Facebook Feed. Next, at the top, click Add New, and for the first step of creating our feed, we can select a feed type. With the plugin, you have several different feed types you can choose, such as displaying posts from your Facebook timeline, photos from your Facebook page, videos from your page, and more. For this demonstration, let's continue with the timeline option, which is already selected for us, so we can click Next. Then we can add a source for our feed. This is the Facebook page we want to fetch our post from. Click Add New, and at the top here, you can click on Connect to Facebook. This will take you to Facebook, and if you're already logged in, you'll see a page like this. On the left, you can click on Edit Access. Here you can see all the Facebook businesses and pages associated with your account. Find the one you want to display inside your feed, and make sure it's toggled on the right-hand side, wherever that name is present. Once you're done, you can exit out and click Continue. And now you can see your Facebook page added as a source inside the plugin, so we can select it and click Add. Next, we can select it as a source and click Next. On this step, we can select a theme for the design of our Facebook feed. We have options like the default, modern, social wall, and more, and each one offers a unique design to help your feed stand out on your site. And for this demonstration, let's go with the social wall and click Next. And finally, for the last step, selecting a template for the layout of the feed. You can choose from options like the default, simple masonry, widget, and more options below as well. Let's go with the simple masonry one. After selecting it, click Next. And instantly we have a live preview of our brand new Facebook feed inside the plugin. You can see all the latest posts from the Green Grove Eatery account, which is the source that we connected to this feed. Inside, you can see all the posts with the account details at the top, with the profile picture, page name, when that post was published, and of course, any content inside that post. Here we have a video. On the left-hand side, we're sharing a link to our blog post. If you look further down, you'll also find image posts as well. And underneath each post, you can see the reactions, comments, and shares as well. Our Facebook feed is now ready to be embedded on our WordPress webpage. But before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this. On the top left corner, we can go to the Customize tab and click on Feed Layout. Here we can customize the layout of our Facebook feed. Currently we have the masonry layout selected, which displays our posts in rows and columns. Next we have the carousel layout, which lets you swipe through the posts inside your feed, just like this. And the first option here is the list layout, which displays your posts in a single column list. If we continue with the masonry layout, scrolling down, you can also choose how many posts you want to display inside your feed on desktop and mobile. At the moment, we're displaying 9 posts, which you can see on the right-hand side, but to modify it, just go ahead and change it to the number you want to display. For example, let's say 6 posts, and our feed will update to only display 6 posts instead of 9. Let's continue with that. And at the bottom, you can also customize how many columns you want inside your feed, on desktop, tablet, and mobile as well. Currently, you can see that we have 3 columns, but let's modify it and change it to 2. And instantly, your feed is updated to display 2 columns and 6 posts in total. I'm pretty happy with that. So we can click on Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to customize how the different posts appear inside your feed, go to the Customize tab and click on Posts. Then we can go into Edit Individual Elements. Here you can see all the different elements you'll find on the post inside your feed. These include the post author, post text, date, and more. All of these elements can be hidden or shown depending on what you want to do. For example, if you want to hide the post author, simply deselect it, and that will be hidden from the post in your feed. And just as easily, you can bring it back by selecting it, and that will pop up back inside your feed as well. You can do the exact same thing with any of the elements inside this list, such as the post text, date, photos and videos, and more. You get the idea. So I'm going to bring those back, and if you make any changes, just click Save on the top right corner. When a site visitor is checking out your feed, they can click on your posts to view them directly on your page. Let's customize what that can look like. Under the Customize tab once again, look for Lightbox, this one here. Inside this menu, you can see that it's enabled, which means that when someone clicks on a photo or video inside your feed, it will open it up inside a lightbox, allowing them to consume the content directly on your site without any distractions, just like this. But on the left-hand side, you can customize what this looks like. You can customize the background color of this window here. You can customize the text color, the links, like so. I'm going to leave it on red. And underneath that, you can also enable comments for your posts. So if a post has comments, it will show up like this on the right-hand side. This is a really cool feature because your site visitors can see all the engagement on Facebook directly from your website as well. And once again, if you make any changes, just click Save on the top right corner. Lastly, if you want control to moderate the posts inside your feed, go to the Settings tab and click on Filters. Here you can add filters to control the exact posts you want to display inside your feed. At the top here, you can choose to display posts by page owner, page owners and visitors, or just visitors. Underneath that, you can also choose to show all posts or only specific posts. If we continue with only specific posts, you can choose whether those posts are only text, shared links, videos, single photos, multiple photos or an album, or even Facebook events. For this demonstration, I'm going to continue with all posts, and if I scroll down, you'll find these two boxes here. If you enter any words into the first box, your Facebook feed will only show posts containing those words. Inversely, with the second one, if you enter a word here, your Facebook feed will only show posts containing those words. So you can use these filters to choose the exact content you display. Lastly, at the bottom, you can also filter posts based on date range. If you enable this, you can specify a date range here so that your Facebook feed only shows you posts within that range. And once again, if you add any filters, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create and customize your Facebook feed, let me show you how we can embed it on your WordPress webpage. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to. Let's go with this one, and click on Add. And here we are now on our Facebook page. And to embed our feed, let's go and add a shortcode block, which is this one here, and paste the shortcode that we copied earlier like so. Alternatively, if you're using block editor, you can use our dedicated Facebook feed block, which is this one here. Once you've added the block, you can use this drop down to select which Facebook feed you want to display on your page. Let's go with this one here, which is the one that we just created. After selecting it, you'll instantly see a live preview of your feed inside your WordPress webpage. You can now click on Save and check out what it looks like live. And here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle is our brand new Facebook feed that we just created. It's featuring the latest post from the Green Grove Eatery Facebook page. Inside each post, you can see the author for that post, the post content, and if we open this up, you can watch your Facebook videos directly inside your WordPress webpage like so. And better yet, you can click on the arrows on the left and right hand sides to check out the rest of the content inside the feed as well. On the right hand side of each post, you can find the caption, any links inside that caption, the comments if any are available, and a button to comment on Facebook as well. If we close this and scroll all the way to the bottom of the feed, you'll also find a Load More button. If I click on that, that will load additional Facebook posts directly on our feed straight on our WordPress website. So this is the fastest and most customizable way to display a Facebook feed on your WordPress website, and it only took a matter of minutes. If you want to check this out, visit smashballoon.com, or you can even try out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.